Hello, Tomlin from Tomlin Harmonica School here. Today I'm going to show you how to play your first lick on a C harmonica. And then I'm going to show you how to play it as a full solo over a 12-bar blues backing track. Here is the lick we are going to learn. Okay, so this lick is going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are starting with two draws, so that's hole number 2 on the draw, and we're playing those as eighth notes. Ba-da, ba-da. Okay, and I'm articulating them either with a T sound, a D sound, or a K sound. You can play with the T sound, it's very, very percussive, but if you find that it's sounding a little bit thin and not very pleasant like this, then it's making you suck too close to the front of your mouth, so you can move towards the D sound or the K sound, d-d or k-k, further back in your mouth so it won't make you suck and strain the 2 draw. So that's the first bit of the lick, the first half. And then we're going to have a 3-beat rest. So that means we're not playing for 3 beats. That would go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And then we play the second half of the lick. Those notes are all quarter notes. They last for a whole beat each. And we're playing the 3 draw, the 4 blow, the 3 draw, and then the 2 blow. So let's try that together, just that second half of the lick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now make sure that you're not articulating these notes. It's quite easy because we articulated the first 2 notes to keep articulating everything. We don't need to, and it sounds a little bit different. Don't let it become a habit unless it's the sound that you're going for. Finally, we're just going to repeat the articulated 8th note 2 draws at the end. So we've got. Let's try playing the whole thing through. The tabs are on screen below, nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent work. Let's try it just a little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's try playing it over a 12-bar blues. We're going to play it 3 times, and I'm going to count you in each time so you know exactly when to start. Some people are going to be angry with me for playing a 3 draw over the 4 chord, but they're just going to have to suck it up in the interest of phrasing, and also because this lesson is for beginners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, excellent work. That lick was part of a study piece from my harmonica school curriculum. And you can check out the full harmonica school experience with a free 14-day trial just by clicking the link below. Now, I have one more thing to teach you. This video taught you how to play a lick and not a riff. A lot of people are confused by the difference between a lick and a riff. A lick is a musical phrase used in a melody or a solo, whereas a riff is a short, repeating, and often rhythmic musical phrase used as part of the song structure. A classic example of a riff would be something like this. You can learn that riff in this lesson up here. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and happy harping.